What's the meaning of citizenry? Citizenry. Citizenry.
Citizenry. Citizenry. Citizenry refers to the group of individuals who are recognized as citizens of a particular country or state. It encompasses people with legal status, such as those who hold citizenship or have permanent residency, and also those who are deemed to be a part of the social and cultural fabric of a community without necessarily having formal legal standing. Understanding the makeup and needs of the citizenry is essential for effective governance and policymaking, as well as for fostering social cohesion and promoting a sense of belonging among all members of a society.